Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of defense technology news is Sentrycs cyber over radio frequency technology integrated into Rafael's combat-proven drone dome system. Sentrycs has announced the integration of its advanced cyber over radio frequency counter-drone technology into Rafael's drone dome system. The announcement was made on July 1st, marking a significant enhancement to the multi-layered defense capabilities of the combat-proven system. Rafael's Drone Dome is an operationally deployed, modular counter-unmanned aerial system, CUAS, used by customers worldwide. It provides 360-degree all-weather protection by combining radar, RF radio frequency, and EO electro-optical sensors, jamming technology, and centralized command and control to detect, track, and intercept aerial threats. The integration of Sentrycs technology adds protocol-based detection, identification, and precise mitigation to the Drone Dome system. It enables immediate recognition of unauthorized drones, real-time tracking of their operators, and accurate identification of communication frequencies, including those using frequency hopping. Sentrycs' approach differs from conventional systems by interacting directly with drone communication protocols, turning detection into a real-time integral part of the mitigation process. This allows the system to operate without reliance on preloaded signal libraries, offering dynamic response to evolving drone platforms. By analyzing communication protocols, the solution enhances situational awareness and accurately estimates operator location. It ensures only unauthorized drones are engaged, improving safety and reducing false alarms. Once a threat is confirmed, the system takes control of the hostile drone and guides it to a designated landing zone without jamming or kinetic measures. This precise and interference-free mitigation avoids disruption to surrounding systems and lawful aerial activity. We are honored to cooperate with Rafael and to have our cyber over radio frequency technology integrated into the Drone Dome system, said Mir Avadan, VP Business Development and Strategic Partnerships at Sentrycs. This collaboration offers unmatched precision, safety, and operational effectiveness against evolving drone threats. Col. Res. Yossi Margalit, Vice President and Director of the CUAS and Low Altitude AMD Systems at Rafael, stated, Drone Dome, already combat-proven and operational worldwide, is a flexible system with an open architecture and spiral development capabilities. Partnering with companies like Sentrycs enhances Drone Dome's synergistic value and resilience in a highly competitive market. Sentrycs technology is already deployed in over 20 countries, protecting critical infrastructure, military installations, borders, and law enforcement sites. The company continues to advance intelligent, lawful counter-drone solutions to ensure secure and efficient airspace management. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of my Electronics Technology channel. And for searching my channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.